here is how you can block all of the apps on the iPhone. So let me show you how it would work. If you're new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so if you want to block apps from being downloaded to the device, meaning that you block all of the third-party apps outside of those which are already part of the iPhone, you can set up a restriction inside of the settings when you go to the screen time section, and below we have the content and privacy restrictions. And when you go there, you can basically go and find the first menu, which is called iTunes and App Store purchases, and you can not allow installing apps or installing in-app purchases. So that's something which you might be interested in if you want to limit the downloading of some outside apps to the phone, right? So that's what you can do. When it comes to existing apps on the iPhone, and if you want to limit the majority of those, the best way would be to set up a downtime period. Because when you go to the downtime, you can enable it or schedule it. You can turn it on right now. But the downtime basically means that only essential features are going to be usable on the phone. So those can be selected in the always allowed section. So those things like the phone app or let's say messages or maps are always going to be allowed even in the downtime, but nothing else is going to work. So here you get to specifically decide what is on the allowed list and what's not, but that's actually very useful because you can then, when you enable the downtime, nothing else will be usable outside of those few features. So that's something which you're going to do. Do not forget that we also have the screen time passcode section, so you can enable a code to prevent any changes to these settings. Depends on who you're setting it up for, but that's another thing which you can make sure is securely set up. But that's all from me. I hope that this is what you meant. If not, let me know what's really going on with your device in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.